Welcome to the most popular public beach in Monaco, where the soft, clean pebbles almost feel like sand under your feet. Lavrado Beach with the clean, transparent water invites you for a swim and sunbathing. One of the most beautiful beaches of Côte d'Azur. Have you ever asked yourself why Monaco public beach stays so clean? The answer is coming up soon, but before we show you the secret of this place, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumb up and click the bell so you don't miss any of our future best trips. As the sun rises and the beach is still absolutely quiet, waiting for its first visitors, there is someone already working hard to make sure the beach stays as beautiful as ever. A beach attender steps onto the shore with a remote control in his hand. What does he control? A small, boat-like device that glides pretty quickly over the water. It might look like a toy at first, but this little boat does a very important job. It floats near the seashore, collecting any bits of trash, debris or weeds that might have drifted in overnight. The device uses special nets to catch anything floating on the water surface, ensuring that the beach remains perfect for everyone who visits it. The clever system keeps the water crystal clear, bringing an excellent experience and preserves the nature. And that's not all. The beach worker has one more tool to make sure every inch of the shore is spotless. He hops on a special scooter, equipped with even more nets for cleaning. As he rides along the edge of the water, he carefully removes any remaining trash, leaving the beach flawless and ready for another beautiful day. It's a special approach and innovative methods that make Monaco Beach one of the cleanest you'll ever see. So next time you're dreaming of a perfect getaway, remember this hidden gem in Monaco. Thanks to the hard work behind the scenes, it's a paradise that stays so for years, just waiting for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for taking more best trips with us.